When teaching an online class or having an online meeting or virtual meeting, the useful whiteboard can truly help in the collaboration process. A good online whiteboard should have the following characteristics: unlimited canvas, collaboration features, ability to attach files, and presentation options. I decided to use Kami because I teach mathematics and I want my students to have access to different mathematical symbols. Kami allows them to insert these different mathematical symbols. It also gives them the opportunity of writing straight on that document and using tools like a ruler, a protractor, or a compass. They can insert their own shapes or create their own regular polygons with however many sides they need that polygon to have. So even though Kami does not have the unlimited canvas, it does allow me to add or incorporate more new pages if I need to. And I can change what those pages look like. So it doesn't meet the first requirement, or at least it meets it halfway. So I'm just going to put like kind of half of a check mark in there. The second feature that we're looking for in a virtual online whiteboard would be this collaboration features. Kami, I can share my document using a link, or I can share it using a QR code. I can change those sharing permissions. Also the way that people interact with the document after it has been created, whether they can download it or they can print it. Collaborators, I should also be able to see their changes in real time. And in this case, it works perfectly. If I'm writing in another electronic device, whatever I write or whatever I put shows up pretty much with almost no delay. And if I hover over it, it lets me know who was the person that put this interaction in there. Now anyone can delete it or make changes to it. Collaborators can also include input by writing a text. They can write their text. They can put in a voice comment. We need a graphic organizer. Once they're done recording, press stop, and that voice recording will be available for others to listen and hear. They can do a video comment, or they can do a screen capture. I'm not going to try the screen capture because it's pretty much like our Screencastify, and if I do, it's going to sign me out or stop the recording that I'm doing right now. So collaboration features, they're there. One of the things that I like about this is that if I'm dividing students into groups and I'm not able to see all the interactions that they're having at the moment, I can always look back to the document and I can hear their interactions or look at anything that they deemed important for me to know, or anything that they thought was good for me to see. It's also great for people who aren't able to join the meeting at that moment. They'll be able to see just exactly where that collaboration or that thought came from, or even if students are going back and reviewing information. Okay, another thing that an online whiteboard should have is the ability to attach files. With Kami, you can go on to Add Media, and you can add media straight from your computer, taking a screenshot of something. So if I wanted students to work on this modeling prompt, and I want to share this image, I can either do a screenshot and paste it. Then I can crop it, enlarge it. Then I can crop it or enlarge it if I need to. I can insert YouTube videos. If you have the link, you can just copy and paste the link, or you can open up YouTube to find the video that you want to insert. Kami also has ready-made graphic organizers, or ready-to-use graphic organizers that can be inserted. If the location of where it was inserted or the size is not what you wanted, it can always be changed and moved around. So it meets the second or the third characteristic that we're looking for in an online whiteboard. Now, another thing that this online whiteboard should have is the ability to present. And if I go down to menu, Kami does have a presentation mode. So even though Kami doesn't have the unlimited canvas, I still think it's a good tool to use as an online whiteboard.